Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our grand finale of March Madness. Cue the epic music. Okay, anyways. We have $210 here today, guys, to stuff in March Madness, which is insane. I just got, I had originally planned for $10 a day for these challenges. And then as the month went on, I was like, I'm going to put all my extra money that I get this month with my side hustle money into this envelope to do March Madness with. And this past week, y'all, because I opened my Ko-fi memberships and so many of y'all signed up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Well, here we are. We have $210 to stuff, including the money that we budgeted and the money that came in recently with our side hustle. So I have no idea. This video is probably going to take forever. So let's get into it. We are starting off with challenge number 4 and 6. And each one is getting $2. So hopefully this won't take for freaking ever. But I'm also very excited because I have not a very clear idea of how much money I will be saving. All right, I know that this one has got enough already, so let me put a new challenge in here because I know for sure that one got done. Ugh, I can't see. 4. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 3, 6, 5, and 1. Okay. Actually, let me just see. This one needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did we get 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so close, y'all. This one needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you know what? But we did get 5 in here, so let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a 5 there. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll put a 5 right here. This one get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can put a 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. Okay, and this one just needed, what did it need? 2. So I'm actually just gonna put 2 there and grab these 2 and put them over here. All right, we'll fill that in later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's keep going. 2, 6, 6, 5. So with this money, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. I do have some ideas of, well, I always have lots of ideas, guys. To be honest, I'm full of ideas. And it just is a matter of determining what I should actually do, what is the best course of action, and doing it. But I have been thinking about doing like a little like subscription box of like curated goods that I put together for y'all. That would include savings challenges, obviously, but also like kind of around a monthly theme. So I'm working on that in the back of my mind. It is brewing, and I've got a few things going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we have enough to call this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, hold on. Okay, we needed 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that one is done. I'm gonna swap that one out right there, and I'll just stick these ones back over here. Let's see. We have 10 right here. And that saves 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's keep going. So yeah, so as I was saying, I've been thinking about doing like a box of curated goods with a monthly theme, and this would be something that y'all could get besides, like, this would not be like a membership thing. It would just be like if you're interested in buying it for the month, you could get it for the month. I'm working on getting some stuff for that and kind of testing it out for the month of April or May. I'm not sure. I'm not sure when everything will come in. I think May is when I decided to test it out. So maybe use this money for that because, you know, I don't want to go in debt to do stuff for my business. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we need a 12 to finish that. So this one is done. All right, let's check this one. Let's see. 5. 10 for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 20. So that one's done. 4 times 5 is 20. That's also 20. Let's see. Okay, let's keep it rolling. All right, number 2. All right, so what are y'all doing with your March Madness stuff? Do you have plans for it? Let me know in the comments what you're going to be doing with the money that you were able to save. It's been really fun doing March Madness. I've enjoyed seeing everyone's challenges and everyone's videos that they've been doing. It's just been a really good time. 3. Okay. Let's see. This one? No. Okay. This one saved 30. Okay, let's keep going. I knew this was going to take forever. I might have to switch it up here in a second if we can't get through it, but I don't know. Maybe it's fun for y'all. Are you enjoying this? Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, this one should be done then because it's a save 20, so we can put that one aside. This one is a save 16, so we can put this one aside. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this one's a save 30, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's keep going. So I feel like really grateful for the support that I've been getting recently from y'all. So thank you all so much for those of you who comment consistently. It's just been really fun getting to know y'all and having that support system. Okay. Wait, what did I say? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we need one more for that one. And we need 10 for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's keep going. What is this? 5, okay. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're getting close on that one. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can grab a 5 for that one. This one, nothing yet. This one, we need 12, 10, 11, 12. There it is. There it is, folks. This one, we need 30. So 20, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 30. Hallelujah. We're done with that one. Okay, and then this one, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not quite yet. All right, let's keep it rolling. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it, boys or gals, ladies and gents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 10. All right, we're getting close. We're getting close here, guys. I might actually not put that one in there because I don't know if we are going to be able to finish all of this. 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay, let's keep going. We're down to 5 challenges. So if I get a 6, I'm just going to go to, I don't know, that one, wherever I want really. 4, 2, 1, 6. We'll put it here. 1. We don't need any more for 1 though, so I'm just going to put it in 2, 4. Okay, I think 1 is done. So we need 12, 5, 10, 11, 12. Yep, there's that one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, sorry, I'm scooching up here. I don't know if you guys can still see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna make this 1, 2, and 3. 3 and 4. And if I get a 5 or a 6, we'll just do the closest one, I guess. 3, 4, 4, 3. 16. Okay, this one's done. You know what? I think we can do one more, maybe. Maybe we can. 4. This one's done. Okay. Ooh, that was a save 40. Let's do this one instead. That's 15. Okay. Actually, at this point, we're just going to go do, and... Okay, well, let's see if this one got any. 3, 4, 5. There we go. This one should have gotten 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put these ones here. Okay, and that's all our money, guys. So, let's see. We'll do these last. Okay, so let's see what all we were able to do. Starting off with this one by Angela Marie. Each egg was $1. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 5, 10, 11, $12 here. For a total of $12. Woohoo! Today is the 24th. There we go. All right, so that's one challenge done. One challenge completed by Angela Marie. Next, we have Happy Easter by Budget by Camilla. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's make sure we have 16. And we do. So we have $16 saved with Budget by Camilla for March Madness. All right. Our next challenge is by Dine Outlaw Games and Budgets. And we did $2 per circle. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Do we have 12 here? We should. 5, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we do. Awesome. Okay. Next, we have this one by Teacher Mom Budgets. This was a save 20. We have 20 here. So I'm just going to quickly do this. And we saved 20. And we finish this on the 24th. Ah. Okay. Then we have this one by Cash Stuffing and Coffee. Sorry, it's a save 30. So we did save 30. I'm just going to, there we go. Save 30 on the 24th. Paper clips. My boring paper clips. I do need to get cute paper clips because that is one thing that I don't have, but it's okay. It's not the most important thing. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that one is by Evergreen, what is it? Evergreen Woods, Principal by Woods. Kayla, she changed her channel name, so I'm still getting used to her new channel, but I'll link it below. All right, this one by Bookish Mama Budgets is a save 16, so we did save that. We have 16 right here with Bookish Mama Budgets. Thank you for your cute challenge. All right, then we have this one by What's Poppin' Sunshine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woohoo! 3, 24, $20 that we saved with What's Poppin' Sunshine. All right, we have next is Restoration by Autumn. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20 saved with Restoration by Autumn. Okay. Next, we have this one that needed just a few more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. And so total, we saved 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20 with this one. Nice. And this one is by Budgeting with Chris, sorry. Okay, next we were finishing up this one by Wild Everest Co. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we saved 15. We should have 15. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. We have $15 on 324. Okay, and then this one just needed $2. This one is by me. You're my lucky charm, and we needed $2 to finish this up. We got that $2, so we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. $39. Okay, so let's see our last few challenges. We might not have finished them all. Let's see what we accomplished here. Okay, this one by Vicky Thinks. Let's make each flower $1. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 with that one. Let's see, this one is by Budget with Carly. Let's make each flower $1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then this one is by Beezy's Things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, it's getting stuck together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And that is it. So, you know what? We are going to add a couple dollars to this one just from money that I had sitting out here. We're going to finish that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that should be $20. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we did that. Got that one in the bag. Okay. That's another one finished. Let's see. This one needed 15. 5. I'm just going to grab a 10 that I had over here, and we're going to finish this one. Because I don't want to not finish as many as I can. And this money was just sitting over here. I think I was going to take it back to the bank, but honestly, I'm not missing it. I'm not missing it in the bank. So, you know, might as well save with it. All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. We're just going to do that because I want to just make sure I have as much money as I possibly can going towards March Madness. All right. So we're going to stop that one there. We're going to end it short, but it's okay. All right. Oh my goodness. We are at 28 minutes, guys. But besides that one, let's see how many challenges we were able to finish today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm trying to keep it cute. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 challenges finished today with March Madness. And that is a wrap on March Madness, guys. I will be coming back in a few days to count up all this money to get us the total money that we saved for March Madness. So do not miss that. You will want to see that and see how much money we were able to save. If you want to take a guess down below, put some numbers down below of what you think I ended up saving, because that would be fun. I think I ended up saving $600. That's what I'm going to guess. It's probably not exactly 600, but you know. So if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to make sure that you get that notification of when that video will be posted so you can see how much we saved. Thank you all so much for watching and for spending your March Madness with me. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.